Hello, today I'm going to present my assignment 3 visual programming. My name is Kalila and my assignment title is Color Flow. My artist statement is Color flow is a place where ideas unfold like watercolor on a canvas. Colors blend and your thoughts take form through motion and flow. A simple visual way to explore, create, and bring your imagination to life. Okay. This is my visual references. I want to make like a watercolor and you can paint it on the screen. This is my network, one part of my network. I use MediaPipe and I also use hand tracking for this project. For the hand tracking, I use helpers and gestures. First, I use point up, which is it will be like the reset button. Pinch midpoint is where the brush will paint with my hand, and I use the values from here. I take it out to see it with a null, and this is another part of my network. The circle top is what is the brush that is going to create the watercolor effect. And these three are my color options, and I use a switch to be able to switch between them. I use the fist hand gesture, and I will show in Touch Designer. Okay, so this is Touch Designer. Let's go in my assignment 3. Okay, so I first start by taking the hand tracking talks, and then I put it in the helpers. I take it out with a null, and for this I want to use it for the pinch midpoint. So I can see the value here. I want to use these. I attach it to a clamp math, which is just a math plus a limit and a lag. And then I select the value from here. I also, the value, I make it, let's see, around, I already read it here, it's around 0.035 and 0.45. Okay, after I got the value, I put it to a null, and then I put this inside the circle here so that it will follow. As see here, it will follow my hand, and then this one is the same thing, and then the blue one I attached it to it's called gestures. So I use the pointing up gesture for it to like reset to reset it. Okay, and then I also use another hand gesture It's called Closed Fist. I use this to switch between the colors over here. So I just, after put it to a null, and then I put it here. So when I do my fist like this, it will switch between the three colors. The first color, I used a noise, and I just made it this 32-bit float, and the monochromes I turned it off. And for these two, I just imported an image I found on Google. Okay. And then this other circle, I use it for, I wanted to let you know if you have the brush down or you have the brush up. So if it's this color, if you're close enough, the color will turn like a light blue. If you're far, which means like the brush is not on the screen, is dark blue. Yeah. 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 Okay. And then this. Oh. I'm back. Sorry, I fixed something. So this feedback, I use the value here, the point up, to reset the my color. So if I color and I point up, it resets. And I just want to show point, point, change color. Okay. This is, I forgot to change this. Okay. And let's see it in perform mode. Well, okay. Let's just see it from here. Pointing up, orange, and I'll reset. Fist, change color, reset it, fist. I can also color on top of this with a different color. So this is just what I wanted. It's fun and interactive. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this assignment is good. Okay.